Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and studying well at home. Dear students, in today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about spread of communicable diseases. As you all know, communicable diseases are the diseases that can spread from one person to another. So these diseases basically spread by direct contact through air, through water, or through insect bite. So let's see how these diseases spread. Many communicable diseases spread through direct contact. Direct contact means when a sick person comes in a contact with the healthy person, so this disease is moved to the healthy person by using the clothing, towel or a handkerchief of a patient. If any healthy person use handkerchief, towel or utensils of a sick person or to eat food in the same utensils, the disease can be transmitted to healthy person. Diseases like chickenpox, measles, mumps, ringworm spread through the direct contact. Now we'll discuss about through air. Some diseases like common cold, sneezing, etc. spread through air. If a sick person or an unhealthy person sneeze directly into the air without using handkerchief, the germs spread into the air, and any healthy person, if come in contact with that air, the disease can be transmitted to that healthy person. So diseases like tuberculosis, TB, that can be spread by through air, common cold, etc. Through contaminated food and water. Many diseases spread if we eat contaminated food or drink contaminated water. How does food get contaminated? Because how this food is be contaminated. So food can be a source of germ if it is not cooked properly. Handled with dirty hands, stale, left uncovered, flies and cockroach can sit on it and pass germ to it. So these are the reasons by which food is contaminated. So we should take care of this thing, that we should avoid such type of food items that are uncovered, on which flies and cockroaches can sit. Even before eating any of the food item, we should wash our hands, and even we should take care of this thing, that the food that we eat is properly cooked. Now, vegetables and fruits needs to be washed and stored carefully. Unclean food and water are the carriers of the germs of diseases like typhoid, cholera, polio, jaundice, food poisoning, diarrhea, etc. So these are the diseases that can be spread by contaminated food and water. Through animal bite. Some animals also carry germs of the different diseases in their body. Their bite may transfer these germs to the victim and hence cause the disease, like rabies that can spread through a dog bite. And some diseases like malaria, etc. are transferred through the mosquito bite. Malaria, dengue are the diseases that can be spread through the bite of the insects like mosquito. So these are known as the vector. The organism which transmit germ without getting infected are called vector. So diseases like malaria, dengue is spread by this way. The common disease spread by insect bite are malaria, dengue, sleeping sickness, etc. Malaria is basically caused by a protozoan which is carried and transmitted by the female Anopheles mosquito. When the mosquito bites an infected person, malaria causing protozoa are sucked up along with blood. When these mosquitoes bites a healthy person, the protozoa are transmitted to the blood of that person. It may cause malaria. This is how malaria spread from an infected person to the healthy person. Same way, the dengue fever is also be spread by same way. Dengue is spread by the bite of an Aedes mosquito carrying dengue virus. Thank you and have a nice day all.